Hello everyone, you are welcome to our Devilon Studio. In this tutorial I will be showing you how you can create how you can build a reading progress bar. So now if you head over to my blog at devilon.online, it's loading. So if you click on a post, as you can see, so you can see this red line. So that's what we call the reading progress bar. You can see as you are scrolling, as you can see. So yeah, so that's pretty much it what we're gonna be building in this tutorial. So the documentation is also available at devilon.online. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So now navigate to your React app. So okay, so now we need a div. So let's give this a class name of progress container. So after that, so this will be the line, like the one that will be moving. Let's give this a div with a class name of progress line. Okay, so let's import my CSS file, import app.css. so let's style this box sizing, box padding of 0 and margin of 0. %, overflow x should be hidden. Yeah, so progress container should have a position of fixed. Yeah, position of fixed. Let's give it a width of 100%, and let's say background color should be red. So let's say background color should be red. Let's take that out. Okay, so localhost 3000. Okay, so we can't see anything on our screen right now. So let's add some HTML, like some dummy text. So I want to use lorem. Let's say lorem 500 and copy, then paste it in here. So then paste it in here. So yeah, let's collapse this. What is it? Okay, so now we have ready. So let's delete this file back. Okay, yeah, so now let's see, do we have something? Okay, so the progress, where is the progress? The progress container, am I targeting this? Okay, let's give it a height, or let's say 30 pixel. Okay, oh that's too much. Let's say 10 pixels. Yeah, that should be all right. Okay, yeah, seems this is all right. So this is just the container for the progress line. So now let's actually style the progress line. The line, that's the one that will be moving. So let's give it also a width of 100%, background color of, let's say, green, and height of 100%. So it will assume this height. So let's see. While loading, okay, maybe while that is loading, well, okay, let's give this a class name, that's text. Okay, text, font size, let's say 18 pixel, and line light, or let's say 50 pixels. You can add any content. Okay, so as you can see, the progress line assumes the height. So yeah, let's remove the logic behind this is that we will use the width. This progress line width will be a dynamic one. You get, it will be a dynamic one. So now we are going to remove it for now. Yeah, we are going to remove it. So let's remove this also, or okay, let's leave it. So let's start working on the functionality. We'll be needing the state, so const scroll and set scroll use state. So the initial value will be what? 0. So it is this scroll that we will use as our what? Dynamic width here. So let's just say style width. So the width will be what? It will be in percentage. So we are using this template literal. So that will be scroll and what? And percent. Yeah, by default now it will be 0. If you check it now, it will be 0%. So you will not see the green background there. Okay, so now let's make it so that when we scroll, we'll be able to toggle the width. So now we will need a function called const show progress bar. Should be another function. So we need the window scroll, or let's say scroll top. That will be what? We will get that by using document element dot scroll top. Yeah. So next thing is to what? Is to get the window height. So to get the height. So by doing this, we are going to subtract the scroll height minus what? The client height. Like the scroll height of the user and the what? The client height, like the user's viewport height. So document element dot scroll height minus this document element dot client height. Yeah. So now we have the scroll top and we have the height now. So const value equals to what? So the logic now will be what? To divide the scroll top by the what? By the height. So let's console log this value. So let's see, let's just should we add the event listener? Let's call the function to see what we have now. So F12. So what do we have now? We have, what is it? What is this? Okay, I think we are getting not a number. Yeah, since we are getting not a number, wait, let's multiply this by 100 because it will be in percent. It will be in percentage. So what do we have now? Oh, this is it. Okay, so we are getting, where is it? Oh yeah, this is, so we are getting 0. Okay, so we are getting 0. Yeah, The reason we are getting 0 is because we have not added the scroll event. So like now if you scroll that, there will be no changes at all. So now let's actually add the scroll event to the window object. So okay, let's leave it, let's still leave the console.log. So now the way we are going to do this is what we wrap that in a use effect. So like to make it run as a side effect, so use effect, the function and our dependency array. So now we got an event listener on the window object, window.add event listener. We add a scroll event. Then we are going to call our function show progress bar. So this event will return a function which will now remove the event, which will now remove the scroll event from the window object. Yeah, show progress bar. So now let's check this out. Let's see. Okay, so as you can see, we're already having some values here, as you can see. So yeah, we already having some values. So when you reach here, you see we have what 99.99, which is approximately 100. Okay, so now we should have okay, so now let's now set we missed something here. Let's set this scroll, this function of the use state, let's set the value to what? Yeah, let's set scroll to what? To the value. You know the initial value here is 0. So we now want this function, use state, we take the state, the initial value and the function. So we now want this this value to be the what? To be the new state, of this function. So yeah, we know that the value we console logged here, these values will now be what? Equal to this width. Will now be the one responsible for changing the width of this progress line. So let's check that out. Let me refresh. As you can see, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Can you see now? So you can just head over to your app.css and remove your background color of red. Then you can reduce the height a little bit. Yeah, so let's refresh. That's why taking time. Okay, as you can see, yeah, our progress bar is now ready. So like most websites are now adding this effect to their website, so you can also add this into your own website. So thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe. I will see you in the other video. Thank you.